In this video, let us look into linear equations in two variables, also the graphical representation of linear equations in two variables. But before going into linear equations in two variables, let us just have a look at linear equations in one variable first. Then let us go into the main concept. In previous videos on linear equations in one variable, we studied that in one variable we studied that the linear equation must have a degree 1 and if it is of one variable means the algebraic expression 2x, some algebraic expression, example 2x plus 7 equal to is equal to another algebraic expression, is it not? So this is what we have studied in linear equations in one variable in previous videos. So now bring this 13 to LHS. This becomes 2x plus 7 minus 13 equal to 0. This becomes 2x minus 6 equal to 0. So any linear equation in one variable can be expressed as a algebraic expression having term of variable and a constant term equal to 0. So in one variable means it has two terms. One term has the variable x, the other term is a constant term, and this is equal to 0. So the linear equation in one variable can be expressed in this form. Okay, if they give this linear expression and asked to show it on a number line, just find the value of x first. 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to, that is, I brought this minus 6 to RHS. This becomes 6 by 2 equal to 3. First we have to get the value of x. So we got the value of x. Draw a number line. Okay. Number line means here it will be 0, 1, 2, 3. Here it will be minus 1, minus 2, so on. Is it not? Here we got x is equal to 3. If they ask to show on the number line means simply put a dot where the number is on the line and just show it off. That is enough. Okay. If they asked for show on a number line means do this one. Now, so we studied that linear equation in one variable means it can be expressed as a term having variable plus and a constant term equal to 0. Similarly, in two variables, in the heading itself it is clear. Linear equation in two variables. Two variables means here one variable means here one term contains a variable. Here two variables means it should contain two terms of variables, but in each term the variable should be different. For example, 2x plus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. Okay, here two terms are there and a constant term equal to 0. Okay, means here the variable is x, here the alphabet is x, here the alphabet is y, variable is y. So in both the terms the variables are different, the alphabets are different. So this is said to be a linear equation in two variables. Let us take another example. 3p plus 2q minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, this is a linear equation in two variable because it has two terms. In each term the alphabet is different. One is, that is, variable is different. For example, here it is p, here it is q. So this is a linear equation in two variables. Also, linear equation in one variable is an example of linear equation of two variables. See, that is, for example, 2x minus 6 is there equal to 0. This is an example of linear equation because this can be expressed as 2x plus 0 into y minus 6 is equal to 0. Is it not? So here there is a term of x, here there is a term of y, and a constant term equal to 0. So a linear equation in one variable is also an example of linear equation in two variables. Okay, is it clear? Now, standard form of linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers also. One more condition we have to write, because if this is 0, this becomes a linear, this is also a linear, so this can be said to be a linear equation in two variable, is it not? If y is the term having y is 0, then this can be ax plus c can be a linear equation in two variable, is it not? Because it can be expressed in the form of linear equation in two variables as we have studied in the example, is it not? So if both are 0 at once, then constant becomes equal to 0. So there is no meaning in saying that this linear equation, this is a linear equation in two variables, is it not? If both are 0, we will get c equal to 0. So there is no meaning in saying that this is a standard linear equation in two, standard form of linear equations in two variables. So we have to write the condition as both a and b should not be equal to 0. Both a and b should not be equal to 0, because there is no meaning in saying that this is the standard form of linear equation in two variables. Okay? Now let us study graphical representation of linear equations in two variables. Suppose they gave a problem as 3 equal to 2x plus y and asked to find the plot the graph. Okay, so write down in the standard form. The standard form of this equation will be 2x plus y brings this 3 to right hand side, this becomes minus 3 equal to 0, is it not? So to draw a graph we need to x, and to plot a graph we need x coordinates as well as y coordinates, is it not? That is, we must have a value of x as well as value of y at each point, then only we can plot the graph. So to get the value of y, just bring the quotients of x to the right hand side, 2x, y equal to 2x minus this 2x on going to right hand side becomes plus 2x, minus 3 becomes minus 2x, and this minus 3 becomes plus 3. So this can be written as y equal to 3 minus 2x. Okay, now at each point of x, let us find the value of y. That is x is equal to minus 2. Let us take two negative points, 0 and two positive points. At x is equal to minus 2, you will get y equal to 3 in minus 2 of minus 2 equal to 3 plus 4. Minus into minus plus 4. This is equal to 7. If x is equal to minus 1, you will get y equal to 3 minus 2 of minus 1 equal to 3, minus into minus plus 2. This is equal to 5. Now at x is equal to 0, y equal to 3 minus 2 of 0. 2 into 0 equal to 3 minus 0 is nothing but 3. Okay, at x is equal to 1, you will get y equal to 3 minus 2 of 1 equal to 3 minus 2 equal to 1. At x is equal to 2, you will get y equal to 3 minus 2 of 2, that is 2 into 2 equal to 3 minus 4 equal to minus 1. Okay, these are the points we got at -2, -1, -0, 1, 2, 2. Okay, if you take other value of another value of x, we will get another value of y. So we will get getting the value of x and y does not stops. We will get so many values of x as well as y. Is it not? So we can finally we can say that this linear equation has linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solutions. Is it not? -2, -7, the 7 is the one solution of this. These are all the solutions of x and y for linear equation in two variable. So if we take another number, we will get another value of y. So it does not stop, it goes on. So definitely it is it has infinitely many solutions. So linear equation in two variables will have infinitely many solutions. Okay. Now to plot the graph, let us write these values in a table. So we calculated 4 points. So simply draw a table. Okay, here x, here y. At -2 we got 7. At x is equal to -1 we got 5. At x is equal to 0 we got 3. At x is equal to 1 we got 2. Sorry, x is equal to 1 we got y as 1. And at x is equal to 2 we got -1. These are the points, these are the solutions we got at each point of x. Okay, so now let us plot the graph. When you plot the graph using these points, that is x is equal to -2, if x is -2, y is 7, the point will be here. If x is -1 and y is 5, the point here it is -1. Check from here, it is -1. Go to the -1 here, and from the y axis it is 5. So next 0, 3 means it will be here. 1, 1 means from x we have to look at x plane, x axis 1 and y axis as 1. So here it will be. If you take a 2 -1, the point will be here. Okay, so we got after plotting the points on the graph, just join those lines, those points. You will get a straight line passing through x and y axis. Okay, you will get a straight line passing through x and y axis. Is it not? So, and the equation of this line will be the given equation, that is the equation at which we calculate these points. 2x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. So it is very clear that if you plot a graph of a linear equation in two variables, standard form of linear equation in two variables, you will get a straight line passing through x and y axis, x axis as well as y axis. So you will get a straight line passing through these two axes. And also the solution we got in two linear equations in two variables are nothing but the points on the in the graph, each point in the graph, and also each point in the graph is nothing but the solution of linear equation in two variables. So to plot the graph, we have to find the value of x and value of y at different points and you show those points on the graph. Just join those lines, you will get a straight line passing through x and y axis. Okay. So from this example, it is clear that any linear equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 will be where a not equal ab, c are real numbers also both a and b not equal to 0 is a straight line passing through x and y axis. X and y axis. Okay, x axis and as well as y axis. Okay, that is when you plot the graph, it will be either a straight line like this or this side. It can be any straight line, but it will pass through x and y axis. Understood? It will just pass through the x and y axis. Remaining concepts of graphical representation of linear equations in two variables, let us continue in my next video. Hope you have understood what is a linear equation in two variables and how will be the graph of a standard form of a linear equation in two variables, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. The graph will be a straight line passing through x and y axis.